Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create cartoon animation with Pika Labs. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, search for Pika Labs Discord, then you have to tap on it. After that you have to accept the invitation. It will redirect you to the Discord account, okay, with the Pika Lab on it. Here it is. Now you can see here it is the Pika Labs. First of all, I'm gonna show you some of the rules of how to use the Pika Labs with the prompts. Okay, so some of the question here. So if you want to use the camera angle, you can see if I tap on the camera, so there are so many options. Like you have to use the prompt AR as aspect ratio, which is 16:9. Motion here is 3, so 3 motion. Then if you use camera, like camera zoom in, camera pan right, camera pan up right, so you have to use the prompt like that. Camera rotate ACW, so like that. So I'm gonna just duplicate it just for the easiness, so that I can easily see the rules here. Okay, now how do I just use it? So whenever I just tap on the logo, you can see a show member list here. Tap on it, tap on Pika. Now you have to write anything just to view the section. Here it is. You can see that I have already used some of it, you can see. So how to write the prompt? So if you want to create a completely new cartoon, okay, then you can just type slash, then you can see create here. Or if you want to animate any image of your own character, you can tap on the animate, then you can upload the image and you can use the prompt. But this time I'm gonna just create something new. Okay, now I will write like cat walking. One prompt, sorry, I have already sent it. I would like to add some more, so let's do it another one. Just tap on create, then type cat laughing, comma, or you can just use space, aspect ratio 9:16, then camera zoom in. So let's see how it looks. You can see already the previous photo or video has been made. You can see the cat is walking. So this is really good. It looks like so original, and you can see it's already generating. So let's see how it looks. You can see that it has been generated. Okay, you can see the ratio 9:16. Okay, and the camera is panning. You can see the camera is panning and the cat is laughing. So this is basically you can do it. And if you just use the animate of your own character, you can upload your image. So let's say I'm just uploading a cat image. Now if I add any prompt here, okay, just I'm gonna write watching around, then aspect ratio 16:9, camera rotating. You can see that it has been generated. So this is how you can do it. You can see it's moving around, just watching around. Okay, so this is how you can easily create an animation cartoon with your image customly, or you can create whole new with your creative prompt. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.